Okay, I'm a little pissed right now because a couple of years ago there was a whole thing at my school where they had people come in and talk to the whole school, and they got people on stage, teachers on stage to recite a stupid rap that they say they made up. Okay, they said they made it up. There ain't no party like a drug-free party because the drug-free party don't stop. I thought that was amazing. It really touched me. I'm like, yo, okay, drugs are bad. So don't do drugs, right? Right? That's what you get from that. But they stole that, okay? I am watching The Office right now, and this is what happens.
What did you forget? Ain't no party like a scranton party, because a scranton party don't stop.